Hey Layla, I just thought it would be easier for me to make a little video to help you out rather than try to type it in comments because I was starting to confuse myself. Anyway, so I was looking at this slide. This is the one you said you were having trouble with, which makes sense because this is one of the hardest things we do. Anyway, you have the formula for the first rectangle correct. So 14 times 5 times 10. The dimensions would be, we'll call this wide. So 14 feet wide, 10 feet high, and then it's actually 5 feet deep. So I do want you to realize that this 5 feet right here is actually not a dimension that we needed for this left side or left prism, but it's actually this one because this is showing 5 feet deep. So this one would also be 5 feet deep. So 14 by 10 by 5. Once you multiply those together, you will get the volume for rectangle 1. So that one is correct. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to figure out the volume of this right side prism over here, this little overhang up here. So we know that it is also 5 feet deep. So that one would definitely be your depth. Depth is 5 feet. Okay. But now we need to figure out how high it is and how wide it is. So how high it is, this 5 is actually going to help us figure that out. Because if you look over to the side, the entire object is 10 feet high. But then we know from here to here is 5 feet. Well, then from here to here has to be the rest of that. So that's actually 5 feet as well, because 10 minus 5 is 5, right? So we know that the height is also 5 feet. And that's a separate dimension from depth. And now we just have to figure out how wide it is. So from here to here, how far is that? Well, when we look down, we know that this entire thing is 20 feet, but when we look down, we know from here to here is 14 feet. So if we subtract 20 feet from 14 feet, we get what's left over here. So that would actually be 6 feet. So it is actually, the width is actually 6 feet deep. All right. So I helped you find the dimensions of this. So now all you have to do is find the volume of each. So this one would actually go with your equation for volume for rectangle 2. I'm going to let you fill that in over here. But if you find the volume of rectangle 1 and then you find the volume of rectangle 2, all you have to do is add those up and you find the volume of the entire figure. So hopefully that helps you out. I miss you, babe. Love you.